Here's some Zippo lighters trivia. Subscribe. What year was the Zippo lighter patented? Is it A, 1932, B, 1928, C, 1935, or D, 1940? The correct answer is A, 1932. Which company manufactures Zippo lighters? Is it A, Ronson, B, Bic, C, Zippo Manufacturing Company, or D, Clipper? The correct answer is C, Zippo Manufacturing Company. Where is the headquarters of Zippo located? Is it A, New York City, B, Chicago, C, Bradford, Pennsylvania, or D, Los Angeles? The correct answer is C, Bradford, Pennsylvania. What famous cartoon character was featured on Zippo lighters? Is it A, Popeye, B, Daffy Duck, C, Scooby-Doo, or D, Tom Cat? The correct answer is A, Popeye. What type of fuel do Zippo lighters use? Is it A, naphtha, B, gasoline, C, propane, or D, butane? The correct answer is A, naphtha. Which feature prevents wind from extinguishing flames? Is it A, fire suppression system, B, flame retardant material, C, windproof design, or D, insulating barrier? The correct answer is C, windproof design. Which country is home to the Zippo lighter? Is it A, Germany, B, Canada, C, United States, or D, Japan? The correct answer is C, United States. Which event led to Zippo's production halt in 1945? Is it A, the Vietnam conflict, B, the Great Depression, C, World War II, or D, the Korean War? The correct answer is C, World War II. What anniversary was celebrated in 2022 by Zippo? Is it A, 50th anniversary, B, 100th anniversary, C, 75th anniversary, or D, 90th anniversary? The correct answer is D, 90th anniversary. What alternative fuel is offered for Zippo lighters? Is it A, sodium, B, kerosene, C, butane, or D, ethanol? The correct answer is C, butane. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.